or swipe down and double tap to activate.
What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can disable or enable TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy S26. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio, and in this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, feel free to subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. All right, let's get right to it. So I'm going to show you how you can disable this TalkBack function, which can get pretty annoying if you activated it by accident, as it reads everything out to you that's on the screen. This is a feature that's usually for the vision impaired, so that it can read everything back out. One thing to keep in mind when you're in TalkBack mode is you can navigate around with two fingers. So instead of using one like you normally would, now you have to use two. So you can swipe up with two, you can swipe side to side. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and find the settings. So we're going to swipe up, settings is right here. We're going to select it and then double tap. Here in settings, we're going to scroll down once again with two fingers to accessibility.
Accounts and backup.
Okay, here in accessibility, we're going to select, double tap.
Accessibility.
And then here we're going to have the TalkBack function right here. We're going to select it, double tap it. And as you can see, it's on. So we just got to toggle it off. Select, double tap. Confirm. Select, turn off, double tap. And there you go. TalkBack is now off. If you had it on, this should help you to get it off and use your phone normally again. So there you have it. That is how you disable or enable TalkBack on your Samsung Galaxy S26. So go ahead and please hit the like button if this video helped you out, and comment down below and let me know if it did. Still holding on to an old device? Well, with Redevice, you can get an instant price and sell it in seconds. No hassle work, no guesswork. And if you're upgrading, you can shop certified devices too. Check it out at Redevice, link down below. That's all for this one. Catch you in the next video. And as always, peace.